I'm Camelia Terrell, the owner of Envision Salon Spa and Hair and Nails, located in Lithia Springs, Georgia. Today I will show you how to correct eyebrows that are too close to the eyelids. We're going to start off with our Eyebrow Shaper. It allows you to brush the eyebrows. We're going to brush those eyebrows upward. So I'm basically brushing upward, bringing the eyebrows up towards me. I will apply a small amount of solution to the eyebrow. I'm going to remove as much hair as possible on this eyebrow. We're going to open up the eyelid to give us more room to work with when applying eyeshadow. I'm going to take a razor and I'm going to begin to shape her eyebrow. And we'll just do a small shaping.
Yeah, leave enough for me to get the close up.
Okay. And we clean up here and we remove the excess hair between the eyelid and the eyebrow bone. And this begins to open the eyebrow up and opening up the eyelid. And there you have it. And I'm Camelia Terrell at Envision Salon Spa, a master cosmetologist, and that's how you shape a close set eye.